Alright, Vevor has sent me this truck air horn kit. Should be pretty loud to try out and review. So we're going to put it on this truck. I got to figure out where I'm going to mount everything here, but that shouldn't be too hard. Alright, been working on this installation. I've got the air horns mounted here. It looks pretty good, no? And then I've got the air compressor and air tank mounted there, where you can see the sticker. And now I got to run an air line and wire it up, and we should be in business. Alright, I've got the relay wired up here, and this is what triggers it. I'm going to need to hook that to a key on position, but for the moment I'm going to touch it right here and see if everything works. Oh yeah. The gauge is starting to work. Let's see when it cuts off. Shut off? Oh yeah, right up just about 120. Alright, that's good. Now we gotta test the horn. Alright, I pulled the grill, unplugged this horn. Seems like it ought to do alright without that horn. Run the wire back in there. I'm gonna zip tie it tight. Everything's wired up except for I need to hook the white wire to ignition on, but I'll do that in a minute. But we can test things out here. What do you think? It'll be loud? Maybe? That ought to wake somebody up. So to summarize, I've gotten a few things from Vevor. They've sent me to review, and they all seem to work pretty good. This thing did as advertised. I just added a relay and some wiring. So I'm pretty impressed, and the horn's quite loud. I'll add a link in the description. Vevor's also sent me some other stuff. Vevor has also sent me some other stuff. I got that little bench. I got a welder or two, and it all seems to function pretty well, so I'm not afraid to recommend you try this stuff out.